Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you add your Instagram feed into your Weebly website? So let's go ahead and talk about that. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add your Instagram feed into your Weebly website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're getting some traffic into your Weebly website, sometimes you can share that traffic into your Instagram by simply displaying your Instagram feed. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Weebly editor. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Weebly website editor, and this is the home screen. Now, in order to connect your Instagram feed into your Weebly website, first you're going to go ahead and choose the page you want to add it into. So up here on the top left, go ahead and click on that drop-down menu, and then you can go ahead and choose the page you want to add it into. So for me, I'll add it into my Contact Us page. Okay, once you do that, here on the left, you're going to see this Add Section button. Go ahead and click on there. Once you do that, you're going to see all the different sections you can add in, but look for this one, Instagram feed. Okay, once you do that, choose the format. So do you want the 8 recent posts, or do you just want the full? For me, I'm just going to do 4. Once you're done, click on the Instagram feed. Once you do that, you're going to see this button here on the top left, Connect Instagram. Okay, next you want to go ahead and log into your Instagram. Okay, next Instagram's going to warn you that Square, which is the owner of Weebly, is requesting access to your Instagram. If you're okay with that, click on this purple allow button. Okay, next you're going to see the different features that are available. I'm going to close this out. Okay, quick second later, you can see the page refreshes. Now I have connected my Instagram feed to my Weebly web. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to add your Instagram feed into your Weebly website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.